Hi everyone. So this week we will be focusing on accounts payable in Xero. So we will start off with what accounts payable is, and our pivotal focus will be on how we can bill in Xero. So we will start off with how we can analyze the scanned bill to identify if it's actually a supplier invoice, and then how we can enter bills into Xero, and what are the different ways we can navigate through billing in Xero. So in terms of applying credit notes, in terms of editing the bill, and there is also a very cool feature that we will learn called tracking categories, so where we can create a tracking for departments, and we will also learn something called chart of accounts, where we can, that is actually in accounts term the general ledger. So we will learn so many different stuff with accounts payable in the session, and we will also look at how we can analyze this accounts payable, maybe using the suppliers and the OVs, using age payable summary, age payable detail, and what are the different databases or reports that you can pull from Xero with regards to this. So hoping to have a wonderful learning session this week, and have a great week.